Allah mentioned Adam alayhi salatu wassalam in 7 places of the Quran. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Al-A'raf, in Surah Al-Hijr, in Surah Al-Isra, in Surah Al-Kahf, in Surah Taha, and in Surah Sad. Relatively in depth in Surah Al-Baqarah and in Surah Al-A'raf. Surah Al-Baqarah, where it all began. The second surah of the Quran, and it's the first human story in the Quran. It is very important for us, being what? Being human. So this story touches us on a personal level. Quran has a lot of stories, but he chose the first story in his book will be about humans. Since this book is addressing humans. The ayah begins at ayah 30 from Surah Al-Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ قال ربك للملائكة إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة. قالوا أتجعل فيها من يفسد فيها ويسفك الدماء ونحن نسبح بحمدك ونقدس لك قال إني أعلم ما لا تعلمون. It starts in a very unique setting. Directly, with no introduction, Allah suddenly says that He's talking to the angels. He's talking to al-malaika. وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ. By the way, ya malaika, I'm informing you. I'm going to create a new creation, and this creation is going to be a Khalifa. And this creation, this Khalifa, is going to live where? إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ. So he's created for what? Ard, dunya. إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً. Is this creation created yet? No, he didn't create him yet. He's telling them, by the way, I'm going to create a new creation in a minute. But I'm telling you that I'm going to create him for what purpose? Khalifa where? في الأرض. Hold on a minute. So us coming to Al-Ard is not a punishment? Are you sure? I'm confused. And Eve, what's her name? She did what? And she told him that's why she's the root of all evil, because she told him to eat from the tree, and then they ate the apple, and then the thing, and then the fruit, and they made fruit salad, and then Allah became very angry, and He said, go down. It was a punishment, and they have to live fil ard, and we all have to pay for this punishment, which we did not do. If our father did not eat from that, I don't know, fruit that tastes so awesomely wonderful, maybe we would be in Jannah now. Maybe I had too much sugar. You need to pay attention to what he's saying, subhanahu wa ta'ala. You need to literally stop. Sometimes I feel sad, and sometimes I feel enraged how Muslims learn the book of Allah. Muslims learn the book of Allah as if someone is standing behind them with a stick. Learn! Quick! Okay, quick. Take your time. Why are you rushing? You rush everything except your makeup. Don't rush. Learn it properly. Allah is saying this creation is for Al-Ard. It is the purpose of Him being created. I'm creating Him for a job. I'm not creating Him just to have fun or something new, something exciting. Subhanahu wa ta'ala. Impossible. This creation is not meant to stay in Jannah and just chill out and enjoy Jannah. Eventually he will, but he needs to do his job first. You know, when your husband is sent abroad for an assignment, he needs to finish this assignment for a couple of months or a couple of weeks and then come back, and he will get a proper appraisal, maybe a bonus, I don't know, something. You cannot get this bonus or this grade, for instance, unless you finish this assignment. Is this bonus guaranteed? It is guaranteed only if you do your assignment. So this whole thing, it starts in Jannah. I'm going to give you the essence of the story, the essence of why are we here. Allah created Adam alayhi salam in Al-Jannah. Yes, definitely. And they were living there. Yes, definitely. But was he supposed to stay there? No. What's my proof? إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً. That's the proof. That is the proof. He's telling me. So you're gonna enter Jannah, so you'll know this is your home, this is where you're gonna be, and this is your bonus, actually. Now, please go do your assignment and then come back. This is not your home. You're here only assignment. Imagine your husband, he went for an assignment for 2 weeks or 2 months, and he spends all of the 30 years savings on shopping and whatever. Are you mad? It was just an assignment. You needed to focus because we need to use that money and go back with it. إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة. Khalifa is a successor. That's one meaning of Khalifa. So your job is to be a successor. To whom? To Allah. Wow. When I leave my house and then I leave Sarah, for instance, and I tell her, Sarah, please, you're my successor in my house. You're my Khalifa in my house. Does my house automatically become in Sarah's name? No, it's still my house. Does Sarah have free will to do whatever is necessary to take care of the house? To fulfill her job? Yes, she has free will. Her job is take care of the house and do whatever is necessary to take care of the house. She could use different strategies to take care of the house. Your job, you need to be a successor. You're going to go down and you're going to be a successor to take care of my house. This belongs to Allah. So your house does not belong to you. Your car, your clothing, your children, your money, your job, everything around you is the sole property of Allah. And you need to take care of it. Does mankind have free will? We have free will. So you have free will. This is all embedded in Khalifa, the meaning of Khalifa. And another third amazing meaning in Khalifa. You need to create a Khalifa to make sure when you die, the person after you continues the assignment. So you have two sole purposes or jobs, assignments that you need to focus on as long as you're here. You need to focus to take care of my house, this whole earth, Al-Ard, under my rule. And then while doing that, you need to create a Khalifa. You need to train someone to succeed you, to become your Khalifa.